Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session that would be on 20th of September friends. Okay, and coming to our yesterday's stocks, I had given you NTPC for a buy and NTPC did not give us an entry. This was the line which I drew. This was the trend line above which is what we were supposed to buy. But it did not give us any entry. It did not give any candle that closed above this point. So our entry was not triggered. However, now we got it at an even lower price. Now to keep you posted, this is the trend line which I have drawn, above which is what we will create a buy position in NTPC. Those of us who are aggressive in buying can go for an entry immediately. Why? Because we are at 50% levels friends. This is given only for aggressive traders. If in case we open somewhere below this levels, which is 61.8 levels friends, below 169, we are going to ignore this trade. Coming to our sell stock for today, I gave you for a sell here straight to the target friends. After that it started moving upwards due to good momentum upside. Coming back to our view on this for future, this is the recent top to recent bottom. We have crossed the 61.8% levels, which very much means that we are no longer bearish on the stock friends. From here the chances of it to go up has increased. Basically we would not take an entry at a breakdown. We would take an entry at a breakout only, which is at upward direction, not a downward direction. Hope you understood the logic behind our sell stock for yesterday. Coming to analysis part for today, we are going to begin that, but before that let me tell you, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you would not miss on any update that I am giving you on the channel friends. Now see, Nifty gave a kind of a gap sideways entry opening and then it went down as we expected. I told you this levels friends which are going to hit, and that's exactly what happened. From there it took its retracement. If you have not seen yesterday's video, that was a live stream, please see that. This was the exact levels that we gave where we could book our profits, and then it started momentum upwards. There was a clear cut trend line breakout. This was a trend line that was drawn yesterday as well, after which there was a retest here, okay, followed by little upward momentum. Has it broken the upward high? The answer is no, it has not. So it has closed somewhere below the yesterday's close, but it is above today's close. So if you look at it from a daily standpoint, you can see that the candle is green, but it is below the previous day's candle and it has gone below this, because of which we are little bit bearish on this particular stock friends. What are we going to do next? Now see, if this trend line is broken and the candle is sustained below this trend line, we are going to do short for this target friends, okay, for this particular target, which is around 17,480 to 17,500. That is only when this particular trend line is broken. In this case, we are going to keep a stop loss of this high friends. Those of us who are aggressive traders can short right there where it is and keep a smaller stop loss. But remember, if you are aggressive, you should be active to go ahead and exit at stop losses friends, okay, because we don't have this confirmation that it is going to go down and we are taking a short position right away. Now looking at the global market at this point, SGX is about 100% up and Nasdaq is about 30-40 points up. So we will get, tomorrow morning we can expect an open somewhere here. So we are already at a breakout level friends, okay. This breakout will already be done when we open tomorrow. Now if you are entering at that level itself, what will your stop loss be? The stop loss will be this high, or this high, depending upon where we are opening. Now what is important? How do we come to determining a target? This was a question that was asked as well, friends. So listen to this part very carefully. So now we don't know where exactly Nifty is going to open tomorrow. So if we get a opening somewhere here, okay, so immediately first thing that we would do is not look for the target. We will first decide how much is our stop loss. Are we going to wait till here? The answer is no. We will try to exit somewhere here itself. Against that, we will take at least 1:1 target. Okay, this is your 1:1 target, which is also your kind of support zone. So that is where we will take an exit. And if in case we are not able to take an exit there, we will trail the stop loss to 0. That means in worst case, if Nifty starts going up, we will exit at where our start point is and will not make any loss. I hope you understood how we create or how we determine what our target and what our stop losses. Okay, coming to analysis for Bank Nifty, friends. In Bank Nifty, I am kind of bullish. The reason is simple. We see a head and shoulder pattern. Ideally should have gone up from here, but due to last hour there was downward momentum. But if you look at it right now at this point, we can see this particular trend line, friends. Okay, and this particular trend line is almost broken. Okay, it has been tested how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's consider all this 4, 5, and this is the 6th time. The possibility of breakout is the highest when it comes to the 6th point, friends. Now, am I saying that Nifty will go down and Bank Nifty will go up? No, that's not what I'm trying to say. All I'm saying again, like previous video that I have shared, is Bank Nifty is strong, friends. So we will be creating buy positions in Bank Nifty. Along with being strong, it's also creating pattern which indicates bullishness. Nifty is comparatively weak, friends. Why? Because you see this particular point in Bank Nifty here, okay, start of 14th is at the bottom. We have not even tested that area. But in Nifty, the start of 14th is somewhere here. We have broken that, gone much beyond it, friends. So I hope you understood the reason why I am saying Nifty is weak and Bank Nifty is strong. Okay. So if we are creating a short position, we will do that in Nifty. And if we are creating a long position, Bank Nifty is the right place when it comes to index, friends, for tomorrow. Coming to our buy stock for today, I was in a dilemma to give NTPC as a buy again because we are at 50% levels and at a very good support levels. But this breakout is not yet done. For that reason, I'm not giving this as a buy, but we are bullish on this as well. But we have chosen Bharti Airtel again, friends. What did Bharti Airtel do last time? It did not give us an entry. This time what has happened is, see, this particular breakout is almost done. This was the exact breakout that we were looking for last time, friends. Okay, but then it gave a gap down and never touched that line. And it has been retested also. Now, forget about this breakout. Look at this breakout. This is done already. Okay, and at this breakout, what has happened? It has created something called a head and shoulder pattern, friends, followed by a retest also and an upward move. Now what are we going to do next? Those of us who want to be safe can wait for this breakout, friends. Okay, once this breakout is done, it will start its travel upwards for a target of 785-86 ish. However, those of us who are aggressive traders can create a long position right now where we are, okay, with a small stop loss of this area. Okay, this is exactly where our head and shoulder is also formed. This would be our stop loss. Okay, and our target will be at least 1 is to 1, friends. When this is our stop loss, we'll create a target of 1 is to 1, which is close to this area. However, if we are entering after the breakout, okay, somewhere here, in that case, our stop loss itself will be somewhere here, even before this area, and our target will also be at this particular level, which is making it to 1 is to 1.45 or 1.5, friends. I hope you understood the logic, how we are creating a position, friends. How are we sizing it? How is our risk to reward ratio? How are we determining a target and a stop loss? Hope you understood the logic behind the buy stock. Okay. And now we are going to come to the sell stock for the day. And the sell stock for the day would be BPCL. Now, first and foremost important thing, there is one negative point to it for this particular sell stock. That is, we are at a breakout. Breakout is already done. So, are we going to immediately enter at this level? The answer is no. We are going to look for some kind of bearish engulfing or something like that before we enter into this position. Now, what would be the super entry for this particular sell position? For that, we are drawing a Fibo, friends. See, already market is 100 to 150 points up as soon as it opens tomorrow. Okay, so we can expect at least 23, 24 levels here. Okay, if you are able to locate some kind of engulfing, some pattern like this, okay, or if you locate a doji candle here, okay, that is when we are going to enter on a sell side. Okay, our best level to enter will be this, next best level to enter will be this, and final and worst, or I would say this would be a level where we can be enter as well at this particular breakdown. If it, in case it starts traveling downwards and crosses this breakdown, we'll enter here. Now our target will be 316. I'll show you the resistance at that area as well. 1 second. See, 317, 316 is where there is a target where we can place, friends. Okay, based on all this is what we'll take an entry and try to achieve these targets, friends. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's live session, and I didn't get any questions on the live session. However, we'll plan few other live sessions somewhere in the future. I hope you liked this video, and please subscribe and also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from stock market. Wish you a profitable Tuesday. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead, friends.